In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a press molded tile using a plaster mold. I start with a model that I make out of oil, clay, and wood. And then I pour plaster on that to create the mold. Start by pushing clay into the mold and get it into the corners real well and tap it down. And keep adding more clay until you've filled the entire cavity. Lightly pound everything and try to work everything down into the details of the mold. And then remove most of the clay from the back with a wire. And use a plastic tool to kind of establish the edge of the mold around the plaster. Then remove the clay from the inside of the tile and smooth the back out. Add a little bit of relief if there's a thicker area on the front of the tile. And then put your initials on the back or stamp it with whatever mark you're using. And then put a piece of drywall over the mold and flip it over. And let that dry for a little bit. And eventually the tile will drop down and you can remove the mold and do any touch-up that's necessary. Clean up the edges a little bit. And then cover it and dry it slowly. And now it's ready to fire and glaze and install or put a hanger on the back and put it on the wall. Please subscribe if you found this helpful.